factory machines. In today's video, we bring you some of the most intense animal attacks and dangerous encounters caught on camera. From charging bulls and angry elephants to bears, sharks, snakes, dogs, and wild predators. These moments show just how fast nature can turn unpredictable. Watch until the end, and don't forget to subscribe for more shocking real-life footage. A bull ran loose through the street and slammed into a 4x4 vehicle. Its strength was enough to turn an ordinary road into complete chaos. A fur seal rushed toward a diver, likely trying to protect its territory and the group nearby. Underwater encounters can become dangerous when wildlife feels threatened. The man jumped into the back of a pickup truck just in time as two dogs came rushing toward him. In a moment like this, height and distance were the only things keeping him safe. A dog chased a delivery worker down the street, forcing the person to run. For delivery drivers, loose dogs can become one of the biggest daily risks.
You're right, mate. That's all right. No worries. Cheers, buddy. Hector, come here. Don't run, mate. Don't run in. Come and get. Stop running. Stop. Stop running.
A dog escaped and sent a FedEx driver running for safety. The driver's reaction showed just how quickly a simple delivery can go wrong.
I'm sorry. He's a good boy. He just wants to play. He's a good boy.
A woman walking her dog was pulled off balance when the dog suddenly lunged after someone else. One sudden movement was enough to make her fall.
Hello.
A great white shark came close to a cage diver in Port Lincoln, creating a terrifying underwater moment. Even behind a cage, a shark that size commands total respect. A mother moose with a calf charged toward a car on the road. When young animals are nearby, even a passing vehicle can feel like a threat. A large dog was not under control, and a runner was bitten or threatened. This shows why strong dogs need responsible handling at all times. A man went to check the mailbox and suddenly found a moose standing in front of him, while a small dog stood between them. That tiny dog had more courage than size. A dog broke through a glass door and escaped from the house before chasing a delivery worker. That sudden burst of energy turned the whole moment into panic. A Great Dane chased after a delivery driver, forcing the driver to run for safety. Even a normal delivery can turn intense when a large dog gets loose. A dog charged out and chased a package thief right off the porch. This time, the thief clearly picked the wrong house.
I have you on camera. Get it, Zero.
A dog attacked and held down an intruder inside a property. In this case, the animal reacted like it was protecting its home. A dog suddenly ran out and startled a delivery worker in a tense but slightly funny close call. Still, when a dog rushes at you, it never feels funny in the moment.
He's fine.
A rhino became aggressive and moved close to a group of tourists during a tour. With an animal that powerful, keeping distance is the only smart choice. A bull charged at a man after being provoked. Once an animal gets agitated, there is almost no time to correct the mistake. A bull suddenly charged at a man riding an ATV on the farm. What looked like a normal day in the field quickly turned into a dangerous close call.
Oh, fuck! Fucking shit! Run the other way! She can't run! Holy fuck!
In the dark of night, an elephant suddenly moved toward. A black bear suddenly went after the family dog near the front door. The encounter happened so close to home that there was almost no time to react. A moose chased a girl who was walking her dog in the morning. Moose may look calm, but when they charge, they become extremely dangerous. A python attacked a man while he tried to take a selfie. Getting close to a powerful snake for a photo is never worth the risk. CCTV captured an alligator attacking a couple in their private swimming pool. It was a terrifying reminder that in some places, danger can appear even at home. A bear made a bluff charge toward a group of fishermen as they crossed a bridge. Even if it was only a warning, no one wanted to test what would happen next.
Hey, 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 hey. Just a small guy. Not fucking with us too hard.
At Alyeska Resort, a moose suddenly moved into the ski lift line and caused panic. A peaceful winter day quickly became a dangerous wildlife encounter.
Go fast.
You're not chasing him anywhere.
In Florida, an alligator squeezed through a dog door and entered a home. This shocking moment proves that wildlife can find its way into the most unexpected places.
And now you're recording.
It's broken. Oh, kind of.
And lie down.
Not that way.
An alligator appeared near a home early in the morning and seemed to move toward a pet cat. For homeowners in Florida, even the backyard can become risky. An elephant attacked and pushed a safari jeep during a tour. The people inside had to stay calm as the massive animal came dangerously close.
Move. Easy. There we go. Seems like she wants to come again, eh?
Goose.
A goose chased and attacked someone on a motorbike or bicycle. It may sound funny, but an angry goose can be surprisingly fearless.
Now take it, Goose. Goosey.
An aggressive goose blocked and chased a group of soldiers, forcing them to dodge its attacks. This bird clearly had no fear at all.
So mad. Yeah, I kept trying to tell him, don't. Yes. The weather's got on a foul mood.
A cyclist or forest rider looked back and saw a bear chasing after him. He had to move fast because on a narrow trail, there was very little room to escape. A bison chased a crowd near Old Faithful in Yellowstone. These animals may look slow, but when they run, they can cover distance terrifyingly fast. A person stood still, but a snake suddenly struck and bit at the leg. This is why you should never assume a motionless snake is harmless. A snake suddenly attacked, sending the man running in fear. The strike happened so fast that he had almost no time to process what just happened. A mother bear with cubs made a bluff charge toward a porch or deck. It may have been a warning, but when a bear charges at your home, it feels very real.
Do you see that, Chloe?